lesson.
Not bad.
Hey, the blue's not bad.
This is blue.
This is blue?
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Not there. Here. On that side.
That is not so bad. But still, I want to go on Paradise Green. Yeah. We have to see. Hey, that's Paradise Green.
Yes, that one on top.
And then we come down here and we're going to go down. This is part of the Paradise Green.
It's not. This is blue.
No, that is.
Not,
I remember coming down from there. I remember coming down from there.
Let's see.
Whoa, he's fast. He did better than you. He didn't jump. I don't think he can jump. At the end, I want to see you. I want to see you do a jump at the end. So we're going fast, right? No. Green.
All the way down.
Yeah. All the way down. Yeah, I remember this. Now this is blue.
What is black? This is black. I checked them before.
What if?
Black. This is called nightmare black.
No, oh, that's the bumpy part. Huh? Look, that's the bumpy part. I want it so bad. Wow. Next time we come to Pennsylvania, I'm going there.
Where are you guys from?
Easy area.
Virginia.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Easton?
Easton?
Yeah.